Here's how to add a user in Zoho Books step by step. Start by signing in to your Zoho Books account. Once you are in, wait for the main dashboard or home screen to load so you can see the navigation clearly. The next action happens from the Settings area, which is available from the top right corner of the screen. Click the Settings icon, shown as a gear. This opens the area where account preferences, organization options, and user management settings are kept. From there, look for the section labeled Users and Roles. Under that section, click Users to open the current user list for your Zoho Books organization. On the Users page, you will see the existing users who already have access. To add someone new, click the New User button. Depending on the layout, it may appear as a button with a plus sign before the words New User. This opens the form where you enter the details for the person you want to add. In the user form, enter the user's name and email address in the required fields. Make sure the email address is the one that person will use to access the Zoho Books organization, since the invitation will be sent there if you choose to invite them right away. If a required field is left blank, Zoho Books may not let you continue, so check that the basic details are filled in before moving on. After that, select the appropriate role for the user or assign the permissions that match the access they need. This part determines what the user will be able to view or manage inside Zoho Books. If your setup uses predefined roles, choose the one that fits their responsibilities. If permission options are shown instead, apply the required access settings based on what they should be allowed to do. If needed, configure any additional access settings that appear in the form. These settings can vary depending on your organization setup and the role you selected. If you do not need to adjust anything further, you can leave the optional settings as they are and continue to the final step. When everything looks correct, click Send Invitation or Save, depending on the option shown on your screen. Send Invitation is used when you want Zoho Books to email the new user so they can join the organization. Save may be available if the account can be added without sending the invitation at that moment. After you submit the form, the invited user will receive an email invitation to join your Zoho Books organization. If you selected Save instead, the user will still be added according to the options available in your account setup. The new user is now added in Zoho Books and, if invited, has been sent an email to join your organization.